When you think about light, what comes to mind? Most people would say illumination, like when light is present, you can see things, but when it's not, there's darkness. But there's much more to light than that. Based on scientific research, we now know that light is actually a powerful energy. And when it's applied correctly, it can have an incredible impact on the way you look, feel, and perform. It sounds kind of strange, right? Almost like a late night infomercial that touts ambiguous, non-verifiable claims. But this is where light therapy is very different. You see, there are literally thousands of clinical studies that demonstrate the following benefits of red and near infrared light. Improve skin clarity, tone, and texture. Increase testosterone production in men. Reduced joint pain and inflammation in your body. Fading of scars and stretch marks, enhanced weight loss, hair regrowth, and enhanced muscle recovery and athletic performance, which is why professional athletes around the world are rapidly adopting light therapy as part of their normal recovery routine. Now, just like most people, you're probably wondering, okay, it sounds interesting, but how does light therapy actually work? And to answer that question, it's helpful to think of light almost like food. Now, you're probably familiar with how our bodies digest different macronutrients, right? Fats and carbs and proteins are treated differently and have a different impact in our bodies. Well, our bodies metabolize various wavelengths of light in that same fashion. Now, it's important to understand that each color of light has a unique effect on our bodies. In fact, thousands of peer-reviewed clinical studies show that certain wavelengths, red light at 660 nanometers and near-infrared light at 850 nanometers, have an incredibly powerful impact when it comes to cellular health. Here's how it works. Imagine that each cell of the body is like an automobile. The powerhouse or the engine of the cell is the mitochondria. When specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light are absorbed by our cells in sufficient quantities, the mitochondria convert the light into cellular energy called adenosine triphosphate. Maybe you've heard it called ATP. And as the production of ATP increases, so does the cell's ability to perform its normal functions. And when you give your cells the ability to perform at peak efficiency, your body is capable of some pretty amazing things, which is why red and near-infrared light therapy have been proven to be beneficial on such a wide range of areas. And it's also why all the well-known health enthusiasts like Dave Asprey, Dr. Mercola, Ben Greenfield, Dr. Sarah Ballantyne, and Aubrey Marcus, who runs On It with Joe Rogan, all use light therapy on a daily basis. Even professional athletes in the NFL, the MLB, and the UFC are using light therapy, and more specifically, the Joovv light to enhance recovery and optimize performance.